In today's quick tutorial, we'll explore the new cleanup tool that came with iOS 18. It's a simple way to remove people, objects, or anything else that feels out of place in your photos. And the best part is, it's built right into the Photos app, so let's begin. First, make sure your iPhone is updated to the iOS 18 or newer. To check this, go to Settings, scroll down, and click on General. Then tap About. You'll see your iOS version listed there. Now open the Photos app and pick the picture you want. Go to Edit. From the editing tools, select the new cleanup option. Wait for it to load, then use your finger to draw over the object or person you want to remove. Try to be as precise as you can. Once you lift the finger, your iPhone will automatically clean up the area and blend the background. If you're not happy with the result, just tap Undo and try again. When you're satisfied, just tap Done to save your changes. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.